Hello, this is to demo the code that I've written for this project. I created a ASP.NET MVC project based on the default template of Microsoft. Unfortunately, I don't have Visual Studio, so I'm using my VS Code. I hope that if when you open that and when you run it, don't face any problem. The architecture of the project, it's very usual, normal. It's got controllers. Files are the remote file folder for the upload files. Handlers or helpers are it only has one file, but yeah, it's like a helper for upload file. I've got view model here that I use for listing the uploaded files containing name, source, and size. So I need name and size to display on the screen, and source for the video tag of the HTML. I've got some views because I just wanted to have one view with default path. I have home, and in the home I have two sections. I control the UI with Knockout.js, so I have some data bindings that I go through that later on. What else? Yeah, the folders here, very normal. I have installed Knockout. I have installed Axios. These are the two libraries that I've installed. Bootstrap and jQuery and stuff like that were there in the template. The controller that I have here, file controller, is got one index. Sorry, this is the web APIs that I've got. I have request size limit because that was requested in the requirements, and so it returns an error. And the other errors that I return is based on the current standard of the error formatting. So I return problem, so the return type is application problem JSON, and then I've got a status code and title and detail. And just for the sake of this demo, I have a condition here where you upload 4 files, it returns an error. And what it does, it loops through the files, it uploads the file into the file folder, and this upload is the helper one. And if error is null, error is a list of errors that return, it's returned from the upload file. Error is null, it returns okay, otherwise it's a problem, and the detail is the file name and error. I've got another web API get files list, and this returns the view model. It loops through the folder of files and it returns the files in there. And in index UI, in the Razor file, again, as I mentioned, I've got 2 different sections. And yeah, I look through the files, I show them, I demo the UI as well, or run it and demo it in a separate file. And also there is another section for the upload. And yeah, if there are errors, I display errors. I look through the errors and display it. You can select the file or files, and I have used normal input tag of type file, and I've created a form for submission. The JS file is inside www root, and inside home index.js I've got a view model, so it's like MVVM. So if I've got my view model here. When user clicks on catalog, show catalog is called, make some properties visible and invisible, and then read videos. read video. Read videos is a function called uses Axios to call the web API and gets a list of files. When user clicks on the upload, it shows the upload. I had a problem with the video tag and data binding with Knockout.js, so I needed to do some low-level JavaScript data binding, and yeah, I use the selector to select the video. So I stop the video, I pause it, I stop it, I make the catalog invisible, and I make the upload section visible. With the set videos, when user selects files, I just set the temp videos here. I push the files into temp video, and when user clicks on the update, I use Axios, I post it, I use form data. Yeah, I append the form data here and pass it to the server. In case of errors, I show the errors. This is for the size limit. This is for my custom errors when it has detail. For example, that 4 files together error that I added there, and also in any other cases I just show the error. Yes, just because user wants to click on a file and it should show, so I had set autoplay, and also in the program I added middleware here, use file server, and the file provider is file. So when I written the sources, when user clicks on the on a file, they are available like any other assets to the browser, and it starts playing automatically. I also have a Swagger middleware integrated in here, so you can easily just navigate to localhost /swagger/index.js to test the APIs. This was just an intro with the code. On a separate file, I have another demo of the application itself. Thank you. Hello, this is to demo the application. It's got catalog and upload menu item. When you click on upload, you can choose multiple files. I've limited to MP4 only. It cannot exceed 200 megabytes, so I start testing with this just to give it a test. I've forbidden uploading 4 files together. This is inside the web API, so I can demo how I handle the errors. Can't upload 4 files together, and if I upload 3 files on the 200 megabytes, it should be okay. You upload, it goes to the catalog. If I refresh it and if I click on catalog, it shows it is responsive, and it shows the files here with the size, autoplay. So you click on it, starts playing. You click on upload, it pauses and ends the video and goes there again. You can upload the same files again, and it overwrites them. And yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you.